Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you an FXpro copy trading tutorial for beginners 2026. So to copy trade on FXpro, you need to go to FXpro C Trader here, and then go down and download the application for Mac or Windows, or you can download it on your mobile app. And once you have done that, you can log in or create a C Trader login. So go ahead and do that. So you can use the same details that you have entered and logged in with FXpro on the normal account, so go ahead and do that. So once you create an account, you will be able to either create a live or demo account. Go ahead and do that. So ask you for your email address, go ahead and fill in this information. And then it will ask you to confirm your email address, so go ahead and do that. And then your account will be activated. Have you done that? Open the demo account. And then you will need to go down to create an account. Either create a real account or demo account. Press create. Go down to platform settings, select C Trader, press apply. Continue with C Trader. And then here we can select the leverage, amount, currency, and initial demo balance. So go ahead and do that. Press create demo account. And then your account will be added here. So when you want to trade, you want to press. So here we can view the different markets. We can filter by all of these different parameters. For example, UK 100. We can see the chart here. We can also filter by different timelines. For example, 1 minute. If you want to copy trade, you want to go down to copy here. And then this will bring up a list of potential accounts that we can copy trade from. So you can see these here. If we click on the particular copy trading signal, we can see the description of the strategy and all of the information regarding the trading statistics and performance of this guy. For example, 2,500 USD. We can see all the breakdown of everything. So once we have decided that we want to trade with this particular person, you press start copy trading. Yeah, all you do is press start copying. For some reason, I'm not allowed to do this on my C Trading account, but either way, you press start copying, and you will start copying their position. So I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.